So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your cabin air filter in your GA. Now, the cabin air filter is very important to your heating and cooling system in your car for your comfort. Of course, with an old cabin air filter, it gets clogged up. It won't allow the blower to pull as much air, so it won't feel like it should. Probably won't feel as cool as it would. The air ain't gonna blow as hard as it should, etc. Now the filter I'm using is this K&N right here. The reason why I'm going with the K&N is because they're a good brand, been around for a long time. Their filters are good, high quality, and last a very long time. And the biggest bonus is they're washable and reusable. So, without any more, let's go ahead and get to work changing this cabin air filter. It's pretty simple. Won't take very long. Alright, so first things first, the filter is under this. We're going to have to get to that. These little tabs, we're going to have to pop them off and remove these. Now, as you can see, this car is missing some. Should have them here as well, but they weren't with the car when I got it. Now there is a special tool for removing this part of it. Obviously a flathead screwdriver is working good enough for me. There's usually one back there too, but that one is also missing. Now, we kind of pull up here, push down here, so I can clear that and get it up just enough right there where I can get to the filter. Now you can see there is the filter, and you can see there's some leaves and debris. Now the best thing to do right now is to take a vacuum, go ahead and get as much of that out, because you don't want that falling in behind the filter and then getting somewhere in the system and getting stuck or blowing out into your face when you turn it back on. Now that's all vacuumed out and cleaned out, just gonna reach in and pull it out very carefully, because we don't want to knock any more or anything else out of that down inside. There we go. You can see there's still some dirt. Now for the K&N, this little pull tab right here will be sticking towards the front of the car, make it easier to remove in the future. So we are just going to slide this down in there. Reach in, push it in place, and make sure it is completely sealed around the housing, all the way around. And once it is all the way in, that is it for that part. Alright, now, very carefully, we're going to have to get that back down and in. It belongs. push these tabs back in place. And there we go. Alright, now there it is. Now the cabin air filters are commonly overlooked, and as you can tell, there's no telling when the last time this one was changed. Now I hope this video proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.